Hello guys, this is Chris from Crisp Digitals. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I leave new videos on my channel. Okay, all right guys, today I want to show you guys how to download, install and unzip files using 7-zip. Somebody contacted me, actually a couple of people contacted me that they are new to this whole unzipping files and stuff, and they really need to know how to do it. And you know what, I was once there too. I didn't know how to unzip files until someone showed me how to do it, you know. So I bet there are like tons of YouTube video out there, but since these people specifically asked me to do a video about it, so I decided to do it today. Okay, it's very simple to do. So all you have to do is go to your browser. I'm using Chrome, so type in 7-zip.org and it's going to bring you here. All right, so this is a free software. You do not have to pay a single penny for this. All right, it's a free software. So all you have to do is go to one of these links here. I'm going to use this one here because this one, it says alpha, meaning that it's not even released yet. You can see the date it will be released. I think if I'm following this is the year, the month, the day and the month, I think. Or it could be the year, the month and the day, but it's still on alpha either way. So I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use the one that is already been tested and is working fine. Okay, so we're going to click on choose whichever one your system is. All right, I'm going to go with this one. So when you download it, it's going to be downloaded right here if you're using Chrome. Okay, so all you have to do is click on it once and it's going to go it's going to open this for you. Just click yes and install, and it says it's installed. You see that? It's simple, right? And you close that. Okay, so now when you have a zip file, a file that is zipped, you want to unzip it. For example, let me use this one of my, so right here it's a zip file already. Okay, so for me to unzip this, I will have to right click on it and I'll go to where it says 7-zip. You see it's there, 7-zip, and you go and look for where it says extract here. You can just say extract files. It will extract it wherever the folder is opened. You can put extract here also. I just like to do it there, so I'm going to extract right here because I've opened this so many times today, guys. That's why it's showing me this. It will not show you this. All right, so in my case I'm just going to say yes to all. Okay, right now see it extracted that, so my file is extracted. That's how you do it. That's how simple it is. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and leave your comment below. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye bye.